Hello, my name is Grant Kirk, Service Training Manager, LBX Company, Lexington, Kentucky. Last week, we hosted in Lexington our regional service skills contest. That service skills contest consisted of 3 events. 1, paper tests on engine, hydraulic, and electrical. Also part of this was included a parts identification, identifying the different parts of an excavator. And the third, most challenging, would be the electrical troubleshooting. Each technician was required to correct the electrical condition and had 90 minutes each to complete the task. And the winner of the service skills contest is Jesse LaRiviere of Equipment Sales and Service, Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. And we'll be going to the Global Service Skills Contest in Chiba, Japan in November.